In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number in WooCommerce. Adding tracking details to your orders is a simple but important step. It keeps your customers informed, reduces support questions like "Where is my order?" and gives your store a more professional feel. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process from inside your WordPress dashboard, and I'll point out a few things to watch out for along the way. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the WooCommerce option in that list. Don't click on it directly. Instead, hover your mouse over the WooCommerce label and a submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Orders. This will take you to the main order list for your store, where you can see all recent purchases. On the Orders page, look through the list and find the specific order you want to add a tracking number to. You can use the search bar or filters at the top if you have many orders and need to narrow it down. Once you've found the correct order, click on it. This opens the order details page where you can see everything related to that customer's purchase. On the order details page, focus on the right-hand sidebar. Scroll if you need to and look for a section or card labeled Shipment Tracking. This is where you'll manage tracking information for this order. Inside that card, click the Add Tracking Number button. When you click it, the section will expand and display several fields that you need to fill in. The first field is where you choose the shipping provider. If your shipping company is already listed, simply select it. Then you only need to enter the tracking number and the shipment date. Make sure the tracking number is accurate and that the shipment date reflects when the package was actually handed over to the carrier. If you're using a custom provider that isn't in the predefined list, you'll need to provide a bit more information. Enter the provider's name, add the tracking link that customers can click to follow their shipment, and then fill in the tracking number and shipment date as well. This ensures your customers can track their package even with a less common courier. Once all the fields are complete and you've double-checked the details, click the Save Tracking button. That's it. Your tracking information is now attached to the order and ready to be viewed by your customer.